chopstick in Daiso. So amazing. You have this kind of chopstick. Look, colored double chopstick for children. And this one, training chopstick for only 15 MOP. So 15 MOP times 7 pesos. Ayan, cute. So cute. Different designs then. This one. Ay, this one is for holder, chopstick holder. Look at that, amazing. Meron din, house. Chopstick holder. Ayan, ito metal. Ito yung traditional chopstick holder. See? It's glass. Wait, no! Ito ang ganda. Mga traditional chopstick holder. Ito mga lalagyan. Ito ang cute nito, guys. This is really cute.
Put it here.
Put it here, okay. For kids. Iba't ibang design. This red, I like this red chops. And
The red weasel.
the red weasel. And this is for adult. Mga chopstick for adult. Ito ang cute. Ito din may design na parang flowers.
Mommy.
Stripes.
Mommy.
Ito may dulo. Maganda.
Come on.
Ito ang cute, oh.
I want to buy
Wait.
that.
Ayaw mag-focus na camera.
Mommy, look at this one.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this one daw. Puro dogs naman ito eh. Ang ganda ng chopstick eh.